Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be cleaning up this center section on the International 1066. As you see right here, we're going to try to use some of this oven cleaner that I picked up from Dollar General. Had some advice online on Facebook that it works pretty good. So I got my new torque amplifier ordered. It should be here in a few days. I went with a high capacity kit that includes the TA unit, MCV pump, gears, all the seals and everything, so we should be good to go on that. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and throw a little paint on it. Go ahead and get the backhoe fired up and we'll use that to pick that center section up. Got it all cleaned up and degreased. Looks pretty clean now, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some compressed air, and we're gonna blow all the water out of here so we can let it dry up so we can throw some paint on it. As you just seen, I went over it with some sandpaper just to rough it up a little bit so the paint, hopefully the paint sticks a little better. Then I blew it off with some air some more so get all the debris off. So we're gonna go ahead and try to throw some paint on this. I'm just gonna be using some Rattle Can Red here, and don't be too hard on me. It's not gonna be a show tractor or anything. I just want to get a little fresh paint on it. There we go. Turned out pretty good. Wouldn't say it's the best job, but it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna go ahead and throw another coat on it after let it dry a little bit. It's a pretty windy day, so it should dry pretty quick. Let me get another coat on it and get it back in the shop and we can get a better look at it. Ran into the shop here real quick. You know, it's a little windy outside, so you can probably hear me a little better. If you're enjoying this video, give it a like down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Liking really helps the video get more traffic, so if you don't mind, just hit that button. Alright, we got it loaded up. Let's go ahead and head back to the shop and take a closer look at it. we are back at the shop. I think it turned out pretty good. It's gonna be good enough for me. It's not gonna be no show tractor or anything. You can see all the way around it. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned for next video. Will probably be installing the new torque amplifier. It should be coming in about the middle of this week. So stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed the video, give me a like down below and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time.